Dodging DIY. Think, build, and share. Good morning. This is part 4 of the BB-8 project. In the previous video, we had made the ball out of paper mache and started designing the electronics. Since the ball is now dry, I started by applying some wood filling, otherwise known as wood putty, all over the ball in order to make it stronger, smoother, and to be able to sand it off later. We will also need to let this dry overnight. I then start making the board out of wood where all the electronics are going to rest. I used my previous template design to create a template that I glue on the piece of wood, and I then start cutting the wood and then sanding it. I also drilled 4 holes inside the wood in order to mount the Arduino with some zip ties later. I can now sand the wood putty to have a smooth main body. Now it is time for painting. I have applied 3 coats of white paint and started drawing the graphics that I have found on Google Images. It was very helpful and I have painted them too, out of orange and grey. I have also added extra details with the help of a pencil just for the look. Then it is time to cautiously cut it in half with the help of a hacksaw. Take your time and be very careful, because otherwise you might end up breaking your ball and you will have to start everything over. Since the inside still was a bit messy, I have applied one more coat of the glue that I was using during the paper mache, which is 2 part PVA glue to 1 part of water. Now I am very happy that this turned out quite well, and we can start making the internal robotic mechanism. For this I have already cut in a circle of wood, but mine was a bit too big, thus I am not sure that it is going to fit inside the ball once the motors are going to be mounted on the board. So this is why I crop it down a bit.
Is what the whole new person is doing at the place you call here and now.
Then I can screw my ball casters that I have previously 3D printed onto the piece of wood. And when I test it out, I can see that it doesn't work because the plastic around the ball caster is making contact with the sphere and not the ball itself. For this, I tried making a bigger piece of wood, but still with the same results. I think it is because the 3D model that I have used for these ball casters is not suitable for our purpose. This means that I have to 3D print 4 more with a new model, which will take up less space. This video is getting quite long already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in part 5.